Walgreens app not working. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. So first of all, one of the main reasons your application might not be working is because you are using the unupdated version of your app. Let's go ahead and open up our Play Store, then search for Walgreens. If it shows update, tap onto update and update your app. Once you're done updating your app, tap onto your settings icon. Scroll below until you find the option of apps. Here type in Walgreens. Tap onto it, go below onto storage, then clear the cache. Also clear the data, but before doing so, also be noted, if you delete this application's data, it will delete all of your account history. If you would like to continue, then tap on delete. Now come back. Then here tap on to force stop. Tap OK. Now check if this is fixing your problem. If it's still not working, then you have to uninstall this application and reinstall it again from your Play Store. Once you reinstall this application from your Play Store, restart your device and try again. This will definitely fix your problem. That is all for today. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe.